Hey guys, this is Likita and today I'm gonna teach you how you get this look, the office professional look. Yes, it's very simple and easy. So let's get started without wasting any time.
Hey guys, I'm taking this primer from Faces Canada. Basically, we use the primer to cover all our oily pores. Now I'll be applying the foundation onto my face. I'm taking this foundation from Faces Canada. It's in the shade Beach. Now gently apply all over your face and blend it with the blender. Now I'm done. Now it's time for the eyebrows. I'm taking this spoolie and rub it off on your eyebrows. I'm taking this palette from Wet n Wild eyebrow palette. I'll be taking the darker brown shade. Apply the gel so that the powder settles up on your eyebrows really well. It comes with a brush, angular brush, so that you can draw your edge points on the eyebrows. Now fill in the gaps. If you feel it's too much, you can lighten it up with this spoolie to give a natural look to our eyebrows. Now we are done with the eyebrows. It's time for the eyes. I'm taking this maroon shade from Color Bar. It's a dark maroon kajal. It comes with a spoolie at the back, as you can see, to smudge. Take the smudger and smudge it off. Do the same into the other eye. We are done with the kajal. Now it's time for the mascara. We are done with the lashes. Now we'll do the contouring part. I'm taking this Wet n Wild contour palette. Dab the excess. Draw your edges. Contouring is done. Now it's time for the lips. I'm taking this nude shade from Color Bar and L'Oreal. I'll be taking these two lipsticks and mixing it off. Now I'm taking a loose powder and dabbing it off to give a matte look. Now highlighting. Take this L'Oreal from Lumi. It's a true match rose gold shade to highlight in our face. Just highlight your endpoints, what you feel. And just dab, don't rub, dab it. You can see how much glow it adds to my face. Now we are done.
So yeah guys, this was the look. You can see the glow which the illuminator gave me on my face, and this look you can carry on your office purpose, daily purpose, any official meetings, etc. It won't be too much and it won't be too less. So yeah, if you like this video, comment down below, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.